What's going on, guys? Josh here at Bill Luke, and today we're going to be going over the 5 questions you need to be asking the next time you go in to buy a used car. Now, if at the end of the video you guys have any extra questions or concerns, go ahead and leave them down in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer them for you. Now let's get started. Question number 1, how was the car maintained? Now this is an important question because just by looking at the seats, the steering wheel, and the buttons, you'll be able to understand the cosmetics of the car. But this question is directed for what's under the hood. You want to find out how often was the car serviced and who was it serviced by. Was it serviced by a private mechanic, a garage mechanic, or one here at the dealership? The answers to these questions will help determine the longevity of your car. Question number 2, was the car in any accidents? Now this is a question that's often overlooked because most people think that every accident will be on the Carfax, but Carfax actually discloses on their website that there are 2 possible reasons why an accident won't be on the report. Reason number 1, the accident was never even reported to Carfax or to any other database. Reason number 2, the accident was reported, but it was reported to a database that Carfax doesn't actually have access to. Question number 3, is the car still under its original warranty? If the warranty has expired, oftentimes the dealer will give you a 90-day warranty with the option to purchase an extended warranty. Now, whether you purchase the warranty or not, you'll want to ask this question so you know exactly what you're getting as soon as you drive off the lot. Now, even though you're buying a car from the dealership, depending on how old it is and how many miles it has on it, the manufacturer warranty may have already expired. Question number 4, can I take the car to my own mechanic for an independent inspection? Now, if you look at the service report and you have some questions about it, by all means, go through with it and have your own mechanic take an inspection. And question number 5, how will this vehicle impact my insurance premium? Now, when most people purchase a new car, they anticipate that their insurance rates are going to either go up or, depending on what they had before, the interest rates might go down. But this can be affected by many factors such as safety features and the type of car. For example, if you're going from an SUV to a sports car, your insurance rates are likely to go up. But if you have safety systems like anti-lock brakes and an anti-theft system, you might be able to save a few bucks. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and gained some valuable information. Again, if you have any other questions or concerns, leave them down in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer them for you. And don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and come follow us on our other socials. The links will be down in the description below. Again, my name is Josh here at Bill Luke. Hope you have a great day.